beautiful people. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in again with me. So this installation this week was sent by AliPearl. This is a completely glueless unit. As you guys can see, it comes with an adjustable elastic band, which means you can actually put it as tight as you want, adjust it as tight as you want, sorry. So this is a completely glueless unit. It's a ready to wear, easy and go wig, closure wig. This is not a 4x4, I believe it's like a 5x5, but I'll leave all the information down below as per usual. You don't need too much with this wig, honestly. This is perfect for summertime, for holiday, if you're a beginner. This is just super convenient, or for even the days that you don't want to wear frontals. So all I'm doing is just defining my parting properly with my hot comb, pressing everything all together. Prior to this video, I actually washed the wig, I straightened it off camera and all that shenanigans. So yeah, I'm using a little bit of wax stick, not too much, because I feel like when you use too much of wax stick, it just makes it like ashy. I'm not sure if it's just me, but yeah, just a little bit of everything. And I did pluck a little bit at the front as well. All I use for the front of this wig is my lace tint, which you guys will see in a little bit. I did pluck a little bit of the fronts just because I'm extra like that, and I wanted to do I wanted like a simple, really clean look, but the plucking was not too much at all. I just did a little bit there and here and there, and a little bit on the hairline as well. As I said, this wig installation, it can be done in like 10 minutes or even less than that, but I'll say 10 minutes because if it's your first time installing it, let's say 10-15 minutes, that's fine. But if you already have the wig prepped already and you're just re-wearing it again, then less than 10 minutes for sure. It's just a pop on wig and you leave the house. This is similar to like a normal traditional closure. The only issue is that with this one you do have like an adjustable elastic band, which you can make it tighter, or you can make it, you know, a bit loose, or yeah. And I believe the lace is HD lace, I'm not too sure, but I'll leave all the information down below as per usual. And also this the lace came pre-cut, so this is a pre-cut wig, as a pre-plucked wig. And yeah, that is super easy for beginners that you don't know how to cut your lace. Yeah, it comes pre-cut for you. You can go ahead and snip a little bit off, but this was good for me. It had that jagged zigzag motion as I showed earlier on. And all I used in this week for my lace is just my lace tint, just so it can blend perfectly into my skin. And I went ahead with my hot comb again. I was just pressing down the edges because I wanted like a middle part, no baby hair look. So yeah, but this wig is super convenient. I will definitely be taking this on holiday, because you know how hot it gets like on holidays and you don't want to be going through your frontal is lifting or whatever. This is super convenient. Yeah, and also it's straight wig. You can also curl it. You can freestyle with this wig, honestly. But the hair is super lush. Look at how it is flowing, guys. I used my heat protectant and water to straighten my wig. This has been working for me ever since I discovered it not too long ago. And just a little bit of oil just to add a bit of shine to it, but not too much oil, because the oil just weighs down your hair. And you guys see how it is flowing, like it is flowing, and the parting is just giving crisps. Everything is just making sense. Even though I did straighten this hair before, I went ahead with my straightener to just define it a bit more, make everything more slick. And when I tell you guys, this hair quality is just amazing. I believe they sent me like a 22 inches, I'm not too sure, which is not bad for summertime. Yeah, I can't lie, when there is too much hair on me in summer, I just gave it here because it's just too hot. So this 22 inches, I think it goes back down my bra strap, yeah, because I'm 5'3", so it's kind of long on me but not too long, do you know what I mean? So it's just perfect length for me. If you're taller than me, then you might look into getting like a longer length. But guys, this hair is so lush, like so lush. And you guys see the melt after I've taken off my elastic band, and I'm just showing you guys how there is no glue, there is nothing, it's not even nothing at all, no glues at all. I went ahead and plucked a bit more of my baby hairs just at the front, just a little bit more, because I wanted that slick look. And yeah, there is no glue, nothing, Can you guys see that? Like, this is a completely glueless unit and I'm loving it. I'm here for the glueless vibes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next one. And yeah, thank you so much, AliPearl, and see you guys later. Bye.